The most important stage in the use of Astec is the surface preparation. This is where you set the foundation for a perfect bond between the roof and the Astec system. Depending on the type of roof, the work required to achieve that bond may vary somewhat. ICC recommends the use of professional pressure washers to substantially reduce labor costs and to provide maximum and constant cleaning pressure all the time. The professional equipment and accessories provide the contractor with safe and effective tools that are designed to make the work go faster and to achieve quality results. Reliability and on-the-job dependability are vital elements to Astec applicators. There are 3 criteria which must be met before proceeding with the application. These criteria call for the roof to be clean, dry, and sound. For a roof to be clean, it must be free of concrete chalky dust, grease, rust particles from protruding bars or other metal, or any foreign matter which would weaken the adhesion of the Astec protective and insulating coatings. A dry roof is one which is dry to the touch. The use of an air blower is very useful in accelerating the drying of certain hidden areas under fasteners, between overlapping metal panels, around flashings, or even in the expansion joints and spaces between the concrete slabs. A sound roof refers to the structural integrity of the surface, where at the very least pedestrian traffic can be allowed with safety. While there are various methods to achieve a proper cleaning of the roof, ICC recommends the use of high-pressure washers at 3,000 to 3,500 psi. After cleaning, remember to thoroughly rinse and dry the roof. The next step is to ensure that the deck is primed for maximum adhesion. This is accomplished with the application of 1 coat of Astec CMCE, Astec's formulation for concrete surface preparation. Before the application, 1 gallon of CMCE should first be mixed with 1 gallon of water. Waterproofing is achieved by one of 2 options: the use of self-adhesive polybase or the use of Polyforce, embedded in Astec liquid-applied waterproofing membrane number 9. Polybase is a self-adhesive bituminous membrane with a polyester cloth mesh. It is applied directly on all joints, caulking, flashing, and cracks. To complete this waterproofing step, a coat of WPM number 9 is then applied over the entire surface of the roof. The use of Polyforce is, in some cases, more labor-intensive but normally cheaper to apply. It requires that you place a layer of WPM number 9, Astec's waterproofing membrane with exceptional elongation properties, over every expansion joint, cracks, and flashing areas. Once the WPM number 9 is dried to the touch, a layer of Polyforce, the polyester cloth, is applied over the WPM number 9 to provide tensile strength. Finally, a second coat of WPM 9 is applied over the Polyforce to completely seal the bridged areas. For total roof protection, a single coat of WPM number 9 is then applied over the entire surface of the concrete deck, ensuring a closed, sealed environment. Both these options, either the Polybase or the Polyforce, will provide strength, flexibility, and long-lasting waterproof integrity. The final step is the application of Astec number 900, a top coat especially designed for a flat concrete roof where ponding of water is possible. This is coated at approximately 12 to 15 mils thick, or 300 microns to 375 microns thick. If the application is done under very hot and humid conditions, the WPM number 9 should be allowed to dry sufficiently before applying the final acrylic ceramic-filled insulating coat of Astec number 900. It is also recommended to apply a very thin mist coat of Astec number 900 first and allow it to dry to the touch before applying a second, more generous final coat. This will prevent the bubbling effect caused by trapped humid air. You now have an aesthetically pleasing roof surface that will also guard against thermal shock and protect against water migration and corrosion. And perhaps the greatest thing about Astec is the fact that it looks great. It is the total solution.